Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how to install and configure Burpsuite in 10 minutes. So for this, we need to follow these steps. You need to download and install Burpsuite. Then you need to configure proxy in a browser. Then you need to download certificate, and then you need to import certificate. And then I will show you how to test it, how to enable Burpsuite to intercept the communication. So let's go to the practical one. And first thing, you need to download Burpsuite. So just Google it. You will get the first link. We are going to use Community Edition. It's a freely available. Just download it. And choose appropriate your operating system. Click on download. Burpsuite will start downloading. Okay, so I'm just canceling to save the time because I already downloaded Burpsuite. Just start installation. So this is the first step, guys, I'm doing. So I downloaded Burpsuite and I'm installing it. So just check where you want to install this one. I'm using the default one, guys. I don't have any projects, so I will go with the temporary projects for the moment. After that, what is the next step? Next step, before going to the proxy settings in our browser, I will show you in Burpsuite, where the proxy setting and what we need to set, for manual proxy. So it's finished, and I will start Burpsuite. So temporary projects. So now I'm going to the proxy. You can see interception is now disabled. So just I'm showing you, or go to the option and see proxy 127.0.0.1 8080. So this is the proxy setting we need to set in browser. So next step, according to our slides, go to the browser. So go to the browser and set the proxy settings. So I'm opening Firefox. Go to the option of settings. Okay, type proxy, go to the settings. So you can see initially by default, okay, when you say go to this one, you will get no proxy. So you need to change from no proxy to manual proxy and just check loopback IP address and 8080. So if this box is not selected, just select this one and click on OK. So you set proxy in your browser. What is the next step? Go to the browser and type HTTP Burpsuite. So I will go to the browser and I will type here HTTP Burpsuite. So you can see it will show the CA certificate. I will download this CA certificate. And after downloading, what is the next step? You need to import certificate. So I will go to the again settings. I will select here certificate, view certificates, and just import whatever you downloaded right now. This certificate is already installed as certificate authority. So this message showing to me because I already imported this one. So that's good. And if you don't have imported in past, definitely this kind of message will not appear at all. So click on OK, guys. What is the next step? After importing certificate, test the communication. So let's go to the Burpsuite. I will open this browser and side by side, I will open Burpsuite. And I'm going to the intercept option. So right now, you see, I off the interception. Okay, intercept is off. So if I put google.com, you will see I redirected to google.com because there is no interception, right? But right now, then I will on the interception, that is our step number 6, enable interception and test the communication. So let's see, I enable the interception and I'm typing the same www.google.com, enter. So this request will not proceed because google.com server and Burpsuite, basically there is a middle uh, layer is a Burpsuite. So your request going from your browser to Burpsuite, you need to forward it. Then that request go to the google.com server, then google.com respond to Burpsuite, and then you will get a response. So you can see now you will get response. So this is the job of, you can say, one of the functionality of the Burpsuite is intercept the communication. I hope you understood and learn how to install and Burpsuite and how to download certificate. Thank you so much. I will explain Burpsuite in detail in next lectures. Thanks.